Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, back with another video. Today's video is going to be on some affordable eyeshadows, y'all. Yes, this eyeshadow is laid, and only because I use these $12 eyeshadow palettes that you can get from Amazon, linked in the description right below. Everything will be down there, so check down there, y'all. Let me tell y'all, I'm not even going to go into discussion about these shadows because these shadows are bomb. You have to watch the video to understand what I'm talking about. So don't forget to, matter of fact, you know what? If you want to see how cheap this looks, then keep on watching.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing.
Get my eyebrows off camera. They look good. They don't have to be perfect, y'all. They really don't. Yes, it's my birthday, y'all. I did get my hair sewed in, but it's not gonna be curled until tomorrow. So the video is all about shadows, cheap shadows, only eye makeup. I'm gonna show you, y'all. These products are from Amazon. I never ever tried Amazon eyeshadows, anything like that before. Maybe a glitter or something like that, but never any eyeshadow. So intrigued to see how these shadows swatch, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I want to try them out and give y'all a look. Is the palette is from AFU deluxe eyeshadow palette. Price point on these palettes are very cheap, $13, some are $11. It just varies on the tones and like different colors and how big the palette is. I'll show you 4 different versions. 2 are like the wide palettes and 2 are the bigger ones. I'm gonna also see how it works with the P. Louise base. Y'all already know I love the P. Louise base. So they claim to be a high pigment eyeshadow palette, matte and shimmers that are in the palette, and it's 16 colors that come in the long ones right here. You get a lot for that price point, but that's not the case. We want to know if these eyeshadows like do the job. Like, am I gonna buy this eyeshadow palette and it's gonna like be pigmented enough for me to be like, okay, damn bitch, what you use? Here goes palette number 1. This is palette number 2. Love this one. It's like more of a neutral tone, but it has like those browns and blues and stuff like that inside of here. Like that blue is like really calling my name. I like really want to see if it's swatch is really good. Lashes is getting in my way. Like the next one, this one is the bigger palette. Now these price points will be listed in the description right below. I don't know, but look at this. Look how many. Oh, that blue. Look at those two together. Like, are you serious? Oh my god, look at that red. Look at that red glitter. Did y'all see that? It's a shimmer, and shimmers is always bitch. Okay. Hold on. Okay, let me swatch it. Oh my god. Like, oh, okay. Really good. Oh my god. Like, look at this. Look at this. Louise, y'all, the base that I always take this base. I'm gonna use a 167 brush and we're gonna pack that on. This is from Morphe, and I'm gonna go into Memory on the outer V area. That on until you get to eyeing. This color in here shows up different than on the camera than in the palette. 221 to apply that. Like, holy. This is crazy. Like, I don't know. I actually thought I wanted. He is coming through. Because this is pigmented as fuck. That's just to ensure that, you know, we have somewhere to pack the shades on the lid. So far, the lid shades was a Morphe 505. I'm going to take my Inglot gel liner number 77. Prosperity. This was NYX Chestnut. Take Dose of Color Sand liquid lipstick. I changed it up. I got a new one. Then went ahead and pick up some JS lip glosses. So I'm gonna take Diamond Juice. This is cute. True Tea, this applicator sucks, okay? I'm about to go change it to something. I don't know what I'm gonna change it to. Clean up a little bit. But that lip was pretty. It got like glitter inside of it. So this is the Beat. Let you know my final thoughts on this eyeshadow and the outro, and I'll meet you there. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment down below letting me know if you got one of those shadows, or have you ever tried anything from Amazon that has to do with makeup, y'all. I want to know, because like I said, I never tried anything from Amazon like makeup wise, as far as glitter maybe, but let me tell y'all, these shadows is amazing. So let me know if you pick some up. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.